Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this vintage filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Okay, you have option to change the presets. Okay, so to get this effect on Instagram, what you can do, visit the creator profile. Tamara is the creator of this effect, but she is having a private account, so you can send her a friend request and check in her filter gallery. She's having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, this is the filter vintage. Tap on it. Okay, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.